Hi, hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about the basics of geometrical figures. What is the necessity of it? What we find that the students not only of lower classes, even that of higher classes are having doubts in the definitions and the concepts of the geometrical figures. They know how to do the questions, but they are not knowing about the actual definitions and the concepts of that. And that is why I felt of making this video based on the basics of the geometrical figures. In this video, we will learn about the point, line segment, ray, angle, parts of angle, and also the types of angles according to its measurement. What is a point? A point according to Euclid is defined as a point is that which has no part. What it means? It means this is the smallest geometrical figure. So we say if a dot we are putting here, that is inside the circle I am showing, we can't make any parts of it because this is the smallest. So we can also say that the smallest geometrical figure which has no dimensions. Dimension means length, breadth, and thickness. So we can say also that it is a dot put by a sharp pencil or needle on a plane which has no dimensions. Is a point. So actually the basics of geometry start from the point. Every figure whatever we draw, whether it is two-dimensional or it is three-dimensional, that is based on the point. Coming to the line now. A line is endless length. Endless length. What does it mean? Endless means there is no ends to a line. A line may be of infinite length. And it has only length. Has only length, no breadth and no thickness. That is the meaning of this. When we talk about a line can be divided into two ways. One is we can say a curved line and another is a straight line. What is a curved line? A curved line actually is changing its direction at many points like this. Suppose we have from A to B a line we are drawing and it keeps changing its direction at many points. That is a curved line. And if there is no change in the direction from a point to other point or maybe of infinite length, we find it is a straight line. So when we will talk about the line in this particular video, that will be only about a straight line. Line segment. Line segment means we say that it is part of a line. And if we say that part of a line means it is of fixed length. And if we say that length is fixed, means it has ends also. So this is suppose we have from A to B a straight line, that is a part of a line. It is of fixed length and that's why it is a line segment. Here we can also see that a line or a line segment contains infinite number of points on it. Even if you take a very small segment like CD, this also contains infinitely many points on it. And that's why we say that point is the smallest figure, that is the basic of the geometry. That is the beginning of geometry. When we talk about the ray means one end is fixed, this is A, and the other end is free. It can go up to infinite length and we mark it with an arrow. So we say a ray is having one fixed end. Only one end is fixed. If we draw a number of parallel rays in the same direction, they are all unidirectional. It means we draw like this. Then we call it a beam. So beam actually is formed with a combination of parallel rays in the same direction. So this we can say a number of parallel rays in same direction. What is an angle? An angle actually is formed like this. So what we can say, suppose these are two line segments AB and BC. They are meeting at a point B. Then an angle is formed. This is the angle. So how can we define an angle? We can say if two lines meet at a point, an angle is formed. Another way we can also define it as, suppose these are two rays going in different directions and the initial point of them is same, then also we can say that an angle is formed. This is the angle. So we can say that two rays in different directions having a common initial point form an angle. So an angle is formed by two lines meeting at a point or two rays having a common initial point. What about its parts? When we talk about the parts of an angle, suppose we form an angle here, we have one of the line segment here, another line segment we have here, this is one, and then this is the angle formed. Suppose we name these as A, B and this is AC. Angle is formed here at A. So A is known as the vertex of it. So we say the point at which the angle is formed or the lines meet to form the angle, or we say the rays have an initial point. That is the vertex of the angle. And these two are known as the arms of the angle. So we have the parts of the angle as its arms and the vertex. When we name the angle, this angle will be read as angle BAC, or we say angle CAB. We have to take a precaution in writing about the angle that the vertex is in the center, or we say the point at which the angle is formed is to come at the center, and the other two ends of this will be on the other two sides of this. And that's why we say this is either angle BAC or angle CAB. When we have learnt about the angle, then we should know how many types of angles are there. So we will be learning about the types of angles here according to measurements, and that measurement we will be taking in degrees. Why I am saying degrees? Because we will be discussing about the types of angles here in degrees. We have some other systems of measurements of angles also, and that you can learn in my video on trigonometry, that is systems of measurements of angles. We have the other units, radians and the grades. So here we are discussing only in degrees, and we have generally 5 types of angles, but we will be discussing about 6 types of angles here. The first one we have is acute angle. What is an acute angle? We say any angle formed here, suppose it is AOB. This is the angle. If the measurement of this is less than 90 degree, then we say it is an acute angle. An angle which measures less than 90 degrees is an acute angle. The second type is right angle. It is an angle of 90 degree. We say a horizontal line and a vertical line, they form an angle of 90 degrees, and that is called a right angle. So this can be said, suppose it is OP and this is Q, then angle POQ is a right angle. So we say a right angle is an angle which measures 90 degree. So an angle of 90 degrees is known as a right angle. And the third type is obtuse angle. What is an obtuse angle? Any angle which is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degrees is known as an obtuse angle. So an angle greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degree is known as an obtuse angle. You must be finding these videos very useful to gain the knowledge on different topics of mathematics. If you have not subscribed the channel so far, subscribe it now to get more videos on different topics of mathematics. The number 4 we have straight angle. That is, if we draw a straight line and take a point on it, then we can form two arms and an angle here. We can take points A and B on both the sides of it. Then angle AOB is straight angle because this contains or this measures 180 degree. So we say an angle which measures 180 degrees is a straight angle. The fifth one we have is reflex angle. If the measurement of angle exceeds 180 degree, it means the angle contains more than 180 degrees. This is suppose AOB. Then this angle is known as reflex angle. So we say an angle which contains or measures greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degrees is a reflex angle. Generally we talk about these 5 types of angles only, but one more angle we can add to it, that is known as complete angle. What is the complete angle? See, we have a point. At every point you find the complete angle is of 360 degrees or not. and this is known as the complete angle. So we say an angle which measures or which contains 360 degrees is a complete angle. These are the 6 types of the angles according to measurement in degrees. In the next video, we will learn about the pairs of angles, that is adjacent angles, linear pair of angles, vertically opposite angles, etc. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any comments or doubts, leave them in the comment box and I will get back to you.